Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, assalamu alaikum. I'm very confident you all guys are thriving in euphoria, and I am sweating after my dance session now. So I just thought I'll come and connect with all of you. Let's start with the chanting. Munchkins, guys, you're thriving, right? So am I. It's a beautiful month. February is inspiring. Is the second month. Second is the number of partnership, coming together, creating, collaborating, and developing new ideas and teamwork, and aligning with our inner masculine and feminine, the inner Shiva and Shakti. And the second house, the second chakra, which is our sacral chakra, our sexual chakra, our creative chakra. It's about getting in touch with our sacral chakra, which is the creative energy, creative life force energy, our sexual processing energy. So it's February is very important. Be on high, raise your vibrations, be very conscious, be very much in touch with your feminine energy. 2 is the number of moon. Listen to your intuition, listen to your emotions, ground yourself, and move forward. And today's topic we are talking is my darkness is not your home. Don't make my dark space your comfort space, your home. Like, among example, if you are at home, you are upset, you have your spouse or your child or your family member or whoever, your sibling, you go and you say, I'm feeling so low, this happened with me, that happened with me, I'm feeling so low, I'm not feeling good. How does this say? How does your sibling respond to it, or your mom or dad or your child, how do they respond to it? Or your child comes and say, mama, I'm not feeling good. Or your brother comes and say, or sister comes and say, I'm not feeling good, this happened and I'm very frustrated, or I'm upset, or whatever. What is your response to it? Don't make their dark space your comfort space, or don't let others make your darkness, your low vibrations, their comfort space. Then you create an entanglement. There is a karma being created, a pattern being created there, where your low vibration is becoming their comfort space, and then they take it and they start living that pattern in their life. So be very conscious. Either it's you giving someone or you receiving from someone. Like I said, an example, your brother or sister is, or brother at home is saying, I'm feeling low and this happened at work, or I'm feeling very frustrated or something. How should you respond to it instead of reacting to it? Oh, this happened with you, this is so bad, why this happened with you, why don't you do that, why don't you complain about it, why don't you take action against that, or something, why don't you talk about it? Why do you do this? No. When somebody is upset, observe. Really? You feel that way? Okay, I don't see any problem. When you are done feeling upset or frustrated, let's go for a run. When you are done complaining or being angry, let's go for a meditation, or let's go watch a movie. Let's go for a massage. Let's do yoga. Something to raise the vibration. Or let's play some board game, or let's go play badminton. Something. Do some activity. Engage in something. Watch some comedy, or talk about something and laugh, or play a game, or go for a run, or physical, mental, or meditate. Physical, mental, emotional, creative. Or let's do painting together. Something you do. Let's sing. Let's listen to music and do karaoke. Engage. Don't make anybody's dark space your comfort zone, or your dark space, don't let your dark space become their comfort zone. Do you understand where I'm coming from? When I am feeling low about something and I have a friend or around me, I'm talking about it, first of all, I don't talk about that I'm feeling low. That's not me. I've outgrown that. But when I was growing, I was healing. When I used to feel low, if I was sharing with a friend, if my friend used to make it like, it's so bad, shouldn't have happened like that. I know you must be feeling very bad. I will be like, why this person is feeding that energy more, why this person is feeling comfortable with my dark space, they're resonating with my low vibration, they're agreeing that I am sad. Why? If I am frustrated or sad, I want you to laugh, I want to say this, nothing happened. When you're done sulking, when you're done being frustrated, let's go for a run, let's go do yoga, let's play this game, let's sing, let's dance. When people don't take me seriously, I really feel good. I mean, for the low vibrations, because they are not engaging in my dark space, they are transcending that to a better space by spreading their light, and they are remaining in their light and not lowering their vibration because I feel low. They remain in that higher perspective that okay, she's coming from that pattern, it's a pattern, it's nothing happened, she'll get through it, she'll get over it. Now she's telling, let me listen. Okay, done. When you are done being frustrated, let's go play, let's go dance. So do you understand? By doing that, you are transcending them to a space with you. See how much powerful you are, what a magical alchemy power you hold by not lowering your vibration, by not making their low vibration or dark space your comfort zone, your home, not feeding into you, not absorbing that, shielding it and just observing, it's a pattern, they are coming from that space, fine. When you are done sulking, let's go for a run, let's go for a cycling, let's go for a dancing, let's go cook something, let's do coloring, let's go sing. Whatever, engage in some, let's go meditate, right? Sit silent. Let's just sit silent and not talk, right? So then you are helping them. You are helping them. But when you, it's so bad, shouldn't have happened with you. I can understand how bad you must be feeling. I can understand how much pain you are in. You shouldn't have done like that with you. Why don't you do something about it? You are feeding that pattern, that ego. You are engaging with their darkness, their low vibration. So do not make their low vibration your comfortable space. That this way you are connecting with them. It's a conditioning, right? This way I'm being sympathetic or empathetic, or I'm being connected, I'm being there for my loved one, I'm being understanding, I'm being caring, loving. No. This is an illusion. You are giving more power to that lower vibration, and it is creating momentum. That's how you both are synergizing in low vibration. Don't lower your vibration, bring them to upper level, challenge their energy with your light. They might feel triggered, they might feel like, why is she not even bothered? It's all right, they'll calm down, and then, are you done being angry? Let's go for a run, let's go do something and have fun. Get it? So don't make others' dark space your comfortable space, or other darkness your home. Don't make it your home, and then that is what you create in the environment. Similarly, when you are feeling low and somebody is engaging with that low vibration with you, understand who you are surrounding yourself with and why you are again and again feeling low vibrational, creating low vibrational experiences in your life, because everybody around you is also feeling sad with you. No, if you want to grow, you must see when you are feeling low, people are inspiring you to get up and run and move that energy, release that energy, meditate, cleanse, right? So understand, even if it's triggering, it's fine, but you can do breathing exercise, you will calm down, right? Or do om for some time, and you'll see your nervous system will calm down. And then you observe that pattern. Are people around you engaging with you when you are feeling low? They are like, I know baby, you are sad, I know you are going through pain. We don't want that. When I am low and somebody says, okay, okay, you're feeling low, I understand. Do you see that pattern, Mona? You are feeling low and you are talking about it again and again and creating the same energy. If you are done, let's go. Create some high vibrational energies. Let's go dance. That's what I want. I do not want anybody. I know, Mona. Let's go have a smoke. Mona, let's go eat some. Let's eat chocolate. Let's go drink. Let's go out for party. Or let's go watch this series. No, 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 no. No. I want to keep myself clean. I don't want you to come and cry with me. I want you to laugh at me when I'm crying. Even if I'm getting triggered, you are aware that you are not getting triggered. Keep laughing at me until I calm down, right? So understand that you don't make every other's dark emotions your comfortable space, and don't let your dark emotions become others' comfortable space. Then you are contributing to humankind, mankind. Then you are contributing to each other's healing and growth and expansion, right? That's what love is all about. Giving and receiving in balance, not feeding each other's into low vibration, right? Self-awareness, self-awareness, self-awareness. I'm sending all of you love and light. Before I say this, Vidania, I'll catch up soon and tune with a different topic.